Howdy, howdy. It's Layle with Layle by Mail. I'm here today to share with you guys the layouts and the layout kit from my Family Fun new kit that is available on my website right now at laylebymail.com. So we'll first take a look at the completed layouts, and then we will take a look at the contents of the kit. So this particular kit produces two double page 12 by 12 spreads. We're using, the mouse in my pocket and I'm using the Family Night collection from Cartabella. You guys, when I saw this at the show in January, I fell in love with it. It's just such a fun, kitschy, vibrant, bright colors, nostalgic collection that really brings back memories of being a kid from a couple of different perspectives. So there are a number of themes, very kind of small, loosely guided themes in the collection, one being a camera or photography theme. So that is how I took the direction that I took for the first spread. So you can see really great vibrant colors. I loved these color chrome. They can't say Kodachrome, but color chrome slides, great little journaling card, lots of little speech bubbles that I've added. Oops, I just taught this class in Minnesota this past weekend, and then it traveled back with me in my suitcase. So it's a little bit, a few things shifted. Anyhow, in my layout kits this year, I have partnered with a friend of mine, Nicole Nawasad, and Nicole has a cut file business. So she has a website, and if you search for Just Nick, you will find her cut file site. Anyhow, I am incorporating her cut files in my layout kits and classes this year. So in each kit or class, I have included two different cut files. So I am sizing, I'm cutting for you, and then those cut files are included in your kit, those die cuts, those designs. So this is one of the designs here that says best day ever. Now, I wanted to jazz it up a bit. So in your kit, you have a package of enamel dots from the Family Night collection. So this kind of really looks like a marquee once you get all those little enamel dots added. So gives you a really good feel for the collection, and that is the first of the two 12 by 12 spreads. The second one, so I mentioned the different themes. The additional themes, there is kind of a TV watching, there's a movie night, and then there's also kind of playing games, a game night, if you will. And it is that game night theme that I brought forward into the second of the two double page spreads. So little kids or mom and child or dad and child, whatever you have, playing games. So puzzle here, down here, playing Twister. Over here, you get a very good feel for the different icons in the collection. We kind of have some playing cards that I've created here, and then lots of little game icons and game boards and dice and little game pieces and so forth. So the cut file that I've included, or the die cut that I cut from a cut file, boy, that's hard to say, that I included is this one right here. So it's that really great kind of red starburst pattern that I thought went really well with this overall theme. So that those are the two 12 by 12 layouts that the kit makes. Now let's take a look at the kit. Alrighty, so we have the package of 60 enamel dots, 5 different colors. Color step-by-step instructions. There is the one cut file, and I've just included that on just a small piece of cardstock in your kit. You don't actually use that in the kit, but that's there to just kind of help protect it. There is the second cut file. It's a die cut. I used a cut file to cut it. Boy. The 12 by 12 sticker sheet. You guys, when I was teaching this class this past weekend, as I was designing, I don't think I really realized how many stickers were on this sticker sheet until in class we were trying to find what we were looking for. But there is almost no white space in there. And why that's important to you as a scrapbooker or crafter is that you have so many stickers. They have maximized every almost possible white space with the stickers. So we don't even come close to using half. Maybe we use a third of the stickers. So you have lots of stickers left over to play with. We have a piece of white cardstock that is the basis for one of our backgrounds. This really neat kind of teal little starburst. And that is where I pulled the starburst theme for this little guy. So if you can kind of see, you'll see that little starburst pattern there, and it ties in really well with that. The 3x4 cards, the art in this collection, it makes me happy. It's just so fun. And like I said, kitschy, vintagey, reminiscent of maybe our childhood, my childhood. Dominoes on the back side there. There is that that we use on one of the layouts. It has kind of all of the different themes carried through in the collection. And then this collection from Cartabella has solids. So the solids are double-sided. But I love when a manufacturer does this because it makes it really easy. I don't have to worry about matching the cardstock because they do it for us. They do it for you. They do it for me, which is great. This is another one of the backgrounds for the spreads, kind of that little word search paper. But I want to show you guys the back side. I don't use the backside, but if you really love this collection, you could pick up a few of the other papers, you know, from your local scrapbook store or your favorite online store. Anyhow, this is kind of a TV guide. So fun. This one, we're using this red pattern, but look at the backside, all the food. Isn't that great? So sometimes you just need a good food piece of scrapbook paper to you know, incorporate into whatever you're scrapbooking. So we're using the red side, but that's another fun. We have the color chrome paper that I used on the first spread. A great background again. We don't use, we use maybe half of this sheet, so you have lots more to play with. And then wrapping it up with this guy. And this guy, I use mostly this side, but again, you also have a lot of that pattern left over as well. All right, so in the description for the video down below, I have included a link to the kit on my website, and that little guy is shipping now. So head on over and take a closer look. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.